Welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can fix your Snapchat not loading snaps problem. So let's say your friends sent you snap and you open those snap and they just don't open up. They just keep on loading. In that case, I will show you how to fix that problem. Before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel. Now most of the time this problem is caused due to slow internet. So our internet is really slow, so whenever we try to open a snap, it keeps on loading. So in that case, if you just fix your internet connection, it should be fixed. But sometimes even with a fast internet, this problem is still caused. In that case, let's say for an example, your friends sent you 20 or 30 snaps and you try to open them instantly one after the another by tapping continuously tap. So let me show an example of what I'm trying to say. For an example, I just sent myself 5 or 6 snaps. So if I just try to open them instantly, one after the another real quick, it's going to start loading. So for an example, Kevin Witchy, so I'm going to open this snap. This is one snap, and if I try to watch it too fast, then after some time it's going to start loading. So you need to give your snap enough time to load. So try to watch the snap slowly and then it'll load up. But if you're just trying to go through them really fast, it's going to load, alright? So in that case, just check your internet. If your internet is not the problem, then you might be trying to load too many snaps in a really short duration of time. In that case, the only thing you can do is just watch the snap slowly. And the other thing you can do is just delete your Snapchat and reinstall it again. What that does is if there's any bug, it'll fix your bug, because deleting and reinstalling will download you the latest version of Snapchat, which means you will be updating your Snapchat at the same time as well as removing the bug. So do that, that will fix your problem as well. And the other thing you can do is just click on your profile at the top right, and from inside your profile you want to click on the setting icon at the top right. You can see the setting icon, click on it. Once you're inside your setting, scroll a bit down at the bottom until you see this option called clear data. Click on clear data, and over here at the bottom, clear cache, click on it, click on clear. Once you do that, your cache will be cleared and most of your problems should be fixed on your Snapchat. So that's how you guys can fix Snapchat not loading issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.